Rajma Recipe. Rajma is the all-time favorite in Delhi and the region of Punjab. This Indian recipe involves kidney beans, rajma as locally called, cooked in onion and tomato gravy with spices. Enjoy this recipe with steamed rice or Indian bread. Servings, 4. Cooking time, 45 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups red kidney bean, rajma, soak overnight for better results, 1 large onion grated, finely chopped, 1/2 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon garlic paste, 3 tomatoes medium-sized, grated, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 cup, oil, 3 cups water, salt to taste, coriander leaves finely chopped. Preparation instructions: wash kidney beans and keep it for boiling in pressure cook for 1/2 hours or until tender. You can also soak rajma overnight for better result. Heat oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons, in a pan. Add the paste of tomatoes, onions and green chilies to it and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Then add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala and salt. Mix well and fry for 2-3 minutes. Add 2-3 cups of water to make thick gravy and bring it to boil for 5-10 minutes. Once it is done, add boiled rajma to this gravy and let it boil for another 10 minutes. Garnish it with finely chopped coriander and serve hot with rice or rotis.